Hello viewers, Ford DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to replace the engine air filter in a Mazda CX-9. This is a 2015 model, however this applies to the first generation CX-9 made between the years of 2007 to 2015. This is equipped with the 3.7 liter V6. A dirty engine air filter can cause poor performance, poor fuel economy, delayed throttle response, and engine running issues. The engine air filter should be replaced every 60,000 kilometers or 38,000 miles. First is opening the hood to access the airbox, which is on the driver's side. I did notice a severe issue with this engine. The airbox was actually unclipped and there was no air filter inside. How long it's been like that is unknown, however this can be very hazardous to the engine. Unclip the two spring clips on the left side of the airbox. Lift up the clip side so it disconnects the tab on the front, then pull the airbox towards the engine to disconnect the 3 alignment tabs. Then remove the air filter. Running an engine without an air filter will expose it to all kinds of contaminants in the air. Looking at all the dirt under the hood, the engine was sucking the same amount of dirt up. This can cause dirty sensors and introduce debris into the engine, potentially causing cylinder wall damage. This would greatly shorten the life expectancy of the engine. I used a vacuum to clean up any debris at the bottom of the airbox. Insert the new air filter into the airbox. The meshed portion faces up. I did have a hard time pushing the 3 alignment tabs in place, so I used a Phillips screwdriver to remove the gear clamp on the intake duct, remove the top portion of the airbox, and then finally clipped in the airbox. After that is installing those 2 spring tabs on the engine side. Reinstall that intake tube with the gear clamp and tighten. And now you're officially done. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.